During a job interview, it's important to make eye contact with the interviewer and smile throughout the conversation. Eye contact shows that you're confident and engaged in the conversation. It also helps to build a rapport with the interviewer and make them feel like you're interested in the position. Smiling is another important nonverbal cue that can help you during a job interview. It conveys friendliness and approachability, two qualities that are essential in any employee. Moreover, smiling can help you to put the interviewer at ease and make them more likely to remember you positively. By making eye contact and smiling throughout the interview, you will convey confidence, interest, and approachability, all of which will improve your chances of landing the job. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips, and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post new job search training videos. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.